Hello traders, my name is Vojtěch and I'm a coach at FTMO. In today's video, I will show you how to improve fast as possible in trading. Let's get into it. So how can you get better faster? The secret is called deliberate practice. It's a mindful, highly structured way of learning by doing. It's the art of training with intention, focusing on specific skills, reflecting on results and improving until your best decisions becomes automatic. Because more screen time doesn't always mean more progress. First, ask yourself, what does success look like for me as a trader? Maybe it's executing your plan without hesitation or sticking to your stop loss no matter what. Break that vision into specific parts: entries, risk management, emotional control, or journaling. Trading journal is your best training tool here. Use it as a practice notebook. Before each session, plan what you will focus on. It could be patience or trade selection. Afterward, write what worked and what didn't, and what you will test next. This simple loop, plan, reflect and improve, creates awareness, and awareness creates stable progress. But be careful, deliberate practice is mentally really demanding. Don't expect to stay laser focused for 5 hours straight. Short, focused sessions, even 45 minutes, can be far more effective than endless distracted screen time. Elite athletes and monks alike train in intervals to preserve energy and concentration. They don't train 6 hours a day. Your trading brain deserves the same respect. Remember, rest is part of the training as well. As you train this way, start tracking what really matters. Don't just measure wins and losses. Track how consistently you follow your rules, how your emotions change during a drawdown, or how many impulsive trades you avoid. The smaller the metrics you track, the faster you will see real improvement and the more motivated you will feel to continue. It's easy to admire top traders for their P&L at the leaderboard, but what we rarely see is the grind behind their calm execution. The journaling, the self-review, the emotional trading, basically all the work that they do when no one is watching. Don't copy their results, study their routines, focus on the work behind the scenes and behind their performance. But you don't have to figure all of this out alone. Every top performer, whether in trading, sports or business, has someone who helps them improve faster and help them see what they can't see themselves. A good coach helps you see blind spots you can't see yourself. They challenge you, they guide you and help you stay accountable. And if you want the same kind of support in your trading journey, you can book a session with one of our FTMO Performance Coaches and start improving with professional feedback and guidance. You will find the link in the description below. To sum it up, deliberate practice isn't just about repetition. It's about intentional repetition with feedback, which is important. Over time, those intentional hours turns into intuition, and intuition becomes your confidence. So what single trading skill will you practice deliberately this week? Drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and maybe I will cover it in the future video. Until then, trade safe and keep working on your mindset.